Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today is the 1-year anniversary of my channel. And so I am going to use this video to say thank you and give some special shout outs. And I'm going to start with a special thanks to my husband, who by coincidence is my first subscriber. And then also our children, my family and friends who have supported me through this journey. It has been so amazing. And then also, you guys, my very first video, Donuts from Scratch, released May 21st, 2020, y'all, and it was a wreck. It took me like 4 hours to film that thing. Check it out. So on the shout outs, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share these videos. They are so amazing. And I'm gonna start with the ones that inspired me to even start my channel. So make sure you guys check these out. I use their recipes all the time, so aces, y'all. Check them out. So I'm gonna start with some special creators who were there for me in the very beginning, welcomed me to the YouTube community, has shared my videos, commented. I appreciate you guys so much. It is not lost on me. Chef Yvonne, Chef Fresh, Chef Wilson, y'all are amazing. Thank y'all so much. Chef Shotgun, wildly successful and has shown my little channel so much love and does a wing battle with Chef Fresh. Make sure you guys check that out. Then we got the D, the C, the N, the C family. Good content. They are so fun. And then Chantel's World. That girl can cook and she revived the wig, y'all. I'm not playing. Then two of my favorite ladies, y'all. V with Let's Cook with Ease. She has also been down with me from the early stages of my channel. Such an amazing person. And then Jerry Ellen with Cooking with Neighbors. Just truly beautiful women. Then your girl, My Plain Jane Live. How you doing? Check her out. She does all these challenges. She does videos with her daughter. Amazing. And then my boo Mercedes can throw down in the kitchen as well. And then the Diaz World, one of my favorite couples. And then also these ladies, Popcorn Kid, and then Maurice, I hope I said that right, ASMR. Her food is so beautiful. And then My Choice Kitchen, and then Sonia. Amazing, you guys. Make sure you check those ladies out. And now I'm gonna stop talking. And if I have missed anyone, y'all, not intentional, y'all, please forgive me in advance. Here we go.